Welcome to everyone. My name is Amir Bhai. You are watching Amir Bhai classes. Let's go through the example. Example 1. Euclid algorithm to find the HCF of a 4052. हम 4052 and 12576 का algorithm find करेंगे. We will find the HCF. By using Euclid algorithm. Step 1. Since 12,576 is the greater number than the 4052, we will consider A has the 12,576. We will write the equation A is equal to BQ plus R. R will be the greater than 0 or equal to 0, where B is greater than R. We will consider A has the A is equal to 12,576, where B has the 4052, because A should be greater than B, where 12,576 is greater than 4052. We apply the division lemma to 12,576 and 4052 to get. So, A is equal to 12,576 is equal to B 4052, and Q we have to see by dividing 12,576 divided by 4052. Dividing by 4052 with 3, we get 12,156. After minusing, we get the value 6 minus 6 0, 7 minus 5 is the 2, and 5 minus 1 is the 4. 422 is the remainder. 420 is the remainder. यहाँ जगह कम रह गई है, इसकी वजह से नीचे लिख रहा हूँ 12,576 is equal to 4052, where quotient is the 3 plus we have to add the remainder 420. We will get a dividend. See, here the remainder is not a 0, so we will further proceed for the step 2. Since the remainder 420 does not equal to 0, 420 does not equal to 0, R is equal to 420. We apply the division lemma to 4052 and 420 to get. We will apply the division lemma to 4052 and to the remainder value. See, in place of A, we will write 4052, and in place of B, we will write the remainder value 420. And now again we will check a quotient value which is in multiple, not in addition, plus the remainder value, where it should become the 0. If not, then we will further proceed. See, we will check by dividing 4052 divided by 420. 429 ja 3780. After minusing 2 minus 0 2, 5 minus 8, it cannot be done. So, from the neighbor value we will borrow 15. 15 minus 8 7, 9, 9 minus 7 2. 272 is the remainder, where quotient value is the 9. See, still remainder does not become a 0. So we will further proceed to step 3. Step 3, dividend क्या है? For a place 420 is equal to remainder will be the divisor. 272 is multiplied by quotient value and plus remainder value. We will check by dividing. 420 divided by 272 with the value. If we multiply 272 by 2, then we get 544. So we will do with a 1. 272 1 ja 272, and now minus. So borrow the value, becomes a 10 and reduced by 1. 10 minus 2 8. 1 minus 7 not possible, so we will borrow, and here 11. 11 minus 7 will be the 4, and 3 minus 2 will be the 1. 140 is the 48 is the remainder. 148 is the new remainder, and 1 is the quotient. Still now the remainder is not a 0. अभी भी रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं हुआ. So we will further proceed to step 4. हम आगे फिर दोहराएंगे स्टेप को. A is equal to BQ plus R. So A की जगह हम रखेंगे 272 एंड B की जगह 148 रिमाइंडर की वैल्यू, एंड Q जो हम नया वैल्यू लाएंगे मल्टीप्लीकेट बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग and by adding we will find the new values of a Q and R. So by dividing 272 by 148 1 ja 148, by minusing 12 and borrow from one value. 12 minus 8 is the 4, 6 minus 4 is 2, and 1. 124 is the new remainder, and 1 is the quotient. Still the value of remainder is not a 0. So we will further proceed. Step 5. We will use the divisor and a remainder value. In place of A is equal to BQ plus R. So A is the 148 and B is the remainder value, previous value of remainder 124, and Q plus R. We will check by dividing 148 by 124, 1 ja 124. 8 minus 4 is the 4, 4 minus 2 is the 2, 24 is the remainder, and 1 is the quotient. Do you have noticed that the remainder is decreasing? Remainder कम होता जा रहा है. So we are nearer to find the HCF. Sixth step, we will consider divisor value as the dividend, 124 as the dividend, and remainder value as a divisor, 24, plus multiply the quotient and adding the value of a remainder. We will check by dividing it. 124 divided by 24, 24 5 is the 120. So remaining value will be the 4. Remainder is the 4, quotient is the 5. See, we can verify it. So by 24 multiply by 5, 5 4 ja 20, 5 2 ja 10 plus 2 is the 120, and adding this value with the 4 we get a 124. See, we get a dividend. Still the remainder value is not a 0, so we will continue the step 7. We consider the divisor value 24 as the dividend. 24 is equal to, and remainder value as the divisor, and we will get a quotient plus value of a remainder. See, we will check by 24. 24 divided by 4, 4 6 is 24. Here the remainder is become 0, so remainder is 0, quotient is the 6. Now the remainder has become 0, so our procedure stops. So we अब हम रुक जाएंगे. Since the divisor at this stage is a 4, divisor क्या है हमारा 4 है divisor, और वही divisor हम कंसिडर करेंगे HCF. हमारा 4 जो आया है वो HCF है. HCF of these two numbers 4052 and 12576 is 4. Notice that the 4 is equal to HCF 24, 4, 24, 4, HCF 124, 24, 148, 124, 420, 272, and HCF of 4052, 420, 12576, we have used this value. Our question was 12576 and 4052. So Euclid division algorithm is not only the useful for calculating the HCF of a very large number, but also because it is the one of the earliest example of the algorithm that a computer has been programmed to carry out. ये पुरानी मेथड है जो कंप्यूटर से प्रोग्राम करी गई थी. इट्स नॉट ओनली यूजफुल टू कैलकुलेटिंग द HCF. या यूक्लिड डिवीजन अल्गोरिदम अकेली HCF फाइंड करने के लिए नहीं होती. यूक्लिड डिवीजन अल्गोरिदम इज नॉट ओनली यूजफुल फॉर कैलकुलेटिंग द HCF ऑफ अ वेरी लार्ज नंबर. बड़े नंबरों का कैलकुलेशन करने के लिए ही नहीं होती, HCF फाइंड करने के लिए नहीं होती डिवीजन यूक्लिड डिवीजन अल्गोरिदम मेथड, but also because it is the one of the earliest example of an algorithm. ये पुराना एग्जाम्पल है that a computer had been programmed to carry out, जो algorithm बेस पर प्रोग्राम carried out हुआ था. Remark, there are the some remarks. Euclid division lemma and algorithms are so closely interlinked that people often called offer as the division algorithm. यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा एंड अल्गोरिदम को क्लोजली लिंक कर दिया और कहा गया डिवीजन अल्गोरिदम. ऑल्दो डिवीजन अल्गोरिदम यूक्लिड डिवीजन अल्गोरिदम इज स्टेटेड फॉर द ओनली पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. ये डिवीजन अल्गोरिदम मेथड सिर्फ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर के लिए है. इट कैन बी एक्सटेंडेड फॉर ऑल द इंटीजर एक्सेप्ट 0. सिर्फ 0 के लिए ही नहीं है. b does not equal to 0. However, we shall not discuss this aspect here. हम इसे अभी नहीं डिस्कस करेंगे. यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा अल्गोरिदम, इसके दो नाम है. Euclid division lemma, Euclid division algorithm has several applications related to finding the properties of the number. We give some examples of this application below. आगे कुछ applications बताए जाएंगे with an example. इस मेथड को तीन नाम से बुलाया जाता है. यूक्लिड डिवीजन लेमा, यूक्लिड डिवीजन algorithm और अ यूक्लिड डिवीजन और बाय अ यूक्लिड algorithm. See the example, use the Euclid algorithm. Euclid division algorithm ये गुजरात बोर्ड में से और सीबीएसई के बोर्ड में से 2021 के सिलेबस में कंसीडर नहीं करा गया। इसे पढ़ाना पड़ रहा है क्योंकि आगे फर्दर स्टडी में इसकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। हमें पता होना चाहिए कि ऐसी कोई मेथड है, इसलिए हमने ये कवर किया है। एग्ज़ाम पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कैंसिल हो गया है, बस बाकी पढ़ने के लिए पढ़ना पड़ेगा।